for taking up the change and making things on a digital platform, and that giving totally a new experience to everybody. And for us also it's an experience, for you also it's an experience, because the survival is always with the change, as it was being said rightly by Gautama the Buddha. The only thing which is permanent in life is change. The moment you start changing with the change, then life is beautiful.
Thank you very much, sir. Let me introduce you. Let us start this and dot 1601. We are starting it. Rao Garu, be online, please. Don't go into nap. So that is what on duty.
I will not allow them to go.
Yeah, and you will love to have
You people
Krish
just like in a class.
be there in the just like class, despite of you are attending it from home, but be serious. And also, Krish is one of the well admired guest faculty, which he is working for last 2 decades. And generally, what happens that the first session for him, because he charges the people like dynamite. He looks like dynamite at this age. Naturally, I want that through internet that charge goes to you. He was facing a lot of problem adapting this particular online mode. But I have actually pushed him like anything, and he has adapted it. Today also he worked to become online with Soumya, who is working in the background. I consider him guru of gurus. My gurus, whatever I have seen in NIMSME, guru to them. He is very senior person. You see that age in him, because today he is looking like Fidel Castro. But, so thank you very much, sir, for being here. And your session. So I'll be there. I'll be not in visible, but I'll be there to this entire session with them.
Yeah, that you are always there, invisible all the time. Invisible force in the NIMSME. Okay. So I think one more person is expected.
No, sir. He is unable to connect today. He has some technical problem, but you can continue. He will be represented by Padmaja. Padmaja is so Padmaja is going through the courses. Outside, Mr. Krishna Kumar Saxena, his father is actually, so he is also there, like so he is a son of the employee. So he has very employee-centric view. So let's go ahead. He will learn it and he will give that knowledge to his father. He will transfer it to his father.
Transferring authority.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So it's good to see the young man also there in the session, because all leaders are learners, and as long as you are learning, you are growing. The day you stop learning, that's the time we start going down. So it's wonderful to see that, that you people are all coming to learn. And what you can do is, Mr. Srinivas Rao, you can keep your mobile, that your face is not totally visible, so that you can be little back and you can just lower the camera. And I think I'm clearly visible, right? There is no difficulty. Yeah, now you look better. Okay, and including you, Mr. Ramesh, that you can just reduce your yeah. Still down, a little down. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Now it's perfect. And including, I think, what's your name? That your name is Krishna Kumar Saxena is your father? Yeah, what's your name?
Sir, his sound is not working today, so he has to buy a new microphone. So today is disturbing.
Okay, then, right. It's okay. I think you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And even now I am able to hear you also. That's great. Okay. I think that shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it's evening. So friends, let's all start. Great evening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great evening.
Great evening, sir.
What about Ramesh? You are a young
Sir?
man. I'm not, that I'm not hearing from you. Great evening.
Yes, sir. Great evening. We'll have a great evening with you, sir.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Hey, Mr. Srinivas Rao, great
Yes, sir.
evening.
Great evening, sir.
Yeah. Again, you have gone down so that that you can keep yourself little. Yeah. Little more up. Okay, that's great. Now you look better and handsome. Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So before we start, what do you do, Mr. Ramesh?
I am working in NMDC Visakhapatnam office as
Okay.
in personal department, sir.
In personal department.
Yes.
Wonderful. So what about you, Mr. Srinivas Rao?
Sir, I am working in materials department, sir, as a JO, junior officer, materials.
Oh, junior officer, wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Because over the years I trained so many people in MDC. A lot of people, they know me. So
Okay.
so it's wonderful to, and it's also a different experience for me to handle only 3 people, right?
Okay.
Easy to handle, sir.
Yeah. No, because I have only one wife, but it's very difficult to handle. Bigger the group, more, the Krishna used to handle 16,000 plus 8, but I'm not able to handle one wife. So,
That is gender problem, sir.
so what about Mr. Krishna Kumar Saxena? What's your name?
His audio is disturbed.
His audio is a problem, sir, and
It's okay. That's fine. That we are going ahead. So, and if you want me to conduct in English, I can do it in English. And in case if you find any difficulty, just raise your hand. You can ask me in Hindi. You can ask me in Telugu. The most important thing is we have a very short time. And this particular program called as Alchemy of Self, it takes almost for 1 day. That means from morning to evening. But now, మన దగ్గర ఒక సామెత ఉంది కదా తెలుగులో కట్టే కొట్టేచ్చే, right? So it's like, the Ramayana was being put into only 3 words. So this total alchemy of self is there in 7 steps. Okay. So,
Okay.
that I was all telling you this particular thing called as alchemy. Alchemy is a very old Greek word. So in the Greek, what they used to was the combinations and permutations of chemicals and metals. They used to have the blend of everything to create the gold. So that was being called as alchemy. So there is a lot of research that has gone upon. This is called as success, because life is a balance. Life is not one dimensional, and whereas life is like a multi-dimensional. And friends, alchemy of self is very simple, because the ingredients may be same whenever any woman cooks the food, and sometimes even men are also cooking now during this COVID times, right? Materials are same, but what happens is every person, whenever they cook, the same materials, but the different combinations and permutations and the quantities and qualities and cooking and the way you prepare, that you get a very delicious and beautiful dish, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Because I want you to raise your hand. Say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, because one thing, as Mr. Dibyendra rightly said, sometimes there are people who keep their eyes closed, and that some people, they keep their eyes open, still will be sleeping. So he gave me a hint that that they are very busy. So the moment you raise your hand, that one disturbs your sleep. So because successful people, they don't do different things, they do things differently. So let's do things differently. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say yes. So then you have to
Yes,
raise
sir.
your hand.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand, including you. Raise your hand. That if you are not able to hear, raise your hand totally. Because what happens is, to change your physiology, change your psychology. To change your psychology, change your physiology. That is called as mind-body connection. So you people repeat with me, because this program is not going to be a monologue. This is going to be dialogue. It's not that I'm going on and on and on, and you people are just simply listening. So it's going to be a dialogue. Okay? Right?
Yes, sir.
Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Say yes. I want you to
Yes,
raise
sir.
your hand. Ah, wonderful here, because all learners are leaders. Because whatever you do in life, do it something different. And that's the, that one is called as the alchemy of self. It's all a combinations of the so many permutations and combinations. Whenever we people mix it up, that you get a different result. Right?
Yes, sir.
I think, for
Yes, sir.
example, that you would have seen, whenever somebody cooks the food, including at home, when when your wife cooks the food, it's different. Whenever your mother cooks the food, it's different. And whenever you go to hotel and you have the same food, again, it's different. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the same way, we all are blessed with the same talent, same energy. We are blessed with same kind of the the kind of the inner powers. But it all depends upon how you people are making use of the potential what we have.
Yes, sir.
Because as it was being said very beautifully, there is no difference between the Trump or Narendra Modi or Bill Gates or you or me or Divyendra Chaudhary or anybody on this planet Earth, that that we are all like a mobile phone. That means we all have the same iOS. It all depends upon how we unleash the potential which is hidden in us. And today, because life is a balance, it's not being totally unilateral. For example, a simple word, there is something called as communication internal, communication external. Because how you communicate to yourself and how you communicate to yourself and how you communicate to others, that is going to determine the quality of one's life. Right? So that is the reason communication internal, because how I am going to speak to myself, communication external, how I am going to speak to others, that is going to determine the quality of our energy, quality of our life, quality of our results. And the life is beautiful, because the moment you use all the 7 important areas and understand that what is important, what is not important, because most of the time, some people, you might be giving the importance only to your organization. That is called as your professional goal. Right? And
Yes.
you might be neglecting your professional goal because you are focusing on professional goal. That is, your professional goal is very, very strong. But whereas you might be neglecting, that is your health. You might be neglecting your family life. You might be neglecting your relationship. Because sometimes, whenever there is an appointment, there is a retirement. You agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wherever there is an appointment, there is a retirement.
Yeah.
And after retirement, you are retiring from your job, but you are not retiring from your life. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And the moment we people are totally taking charge of our physiology and psychology, then we are able to dictate and we are able to take the power within ourselves. Then we will be able to do whatever we want, and thereby we are going to unleash the power within, and we will be able to explore the unlimited power which is hidden in us. So this small exercise, what all that you have undergone through the notes, that you would have come to know that all these combinations and permutations and how we are going to make use of it, that is going to determine the quality of your life. For example, a simple thing like the language, that is called as communication internal. Communication internal, for example, everybody says, that we will say, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And that is only a formality. We don't say, अरे यार NMDC में कहाँ पर join हो गई है, क्या ये फिर ये age के अंदर that I have to go through all this learning, and why I need to go through all this training program. And some of your friends would have backed out, but you are very courageous people, and you said, okay, because all leaders are learners, and as long as you are learning, you are growing in life. And whenever there is a growth and success and prosperity, that gives us the real happiness. Wherever there is a stagnant, the moment, just like our stagnant water, it smells and you cannot start drinking. And in the same way, whenever there is life is stagnated, whenever there is no growth, whenever there is no satisfaction, then we say that life is not so enchanting, life is not so beautiful as it seems to be. So our whole endeavor is to see that how we people are going to unleash the hidden talents in us and how we are going to create a balance, and that is called as the pyramid of the life mastery. For example, a simple word, many times we people are going to use the word called as the good morning, good afternoon, good evening, because that doesn't give you the kick. And you say good morning to your school teacher, but you never enjoyed it. My God, one more class and I need to go to the school. You go to the office, you say good morning. Sometimes you may not even like your boss, but you're forced to say good morning, right? But it's not for somebody else. That gives us the happiness is, the moment you start saying, that is something called as using the powerful vocabulary. The most important thing is the moment you change your vocabulary, you change your life. So from today onwards, for all our sessions, including to the other people, whoever will be just coming to you, with lot of enthusiasm, you are going to respond to them with a big smile on your face, right? Because NMDC
Right.
officers mean you need not be very serious, right? Because life is not serious. Because the moment you smile, this is called as non-verbal communication. The moment you smile, you are sending a message. There is something called as neural connection to your brain, because you have 100 billion neurons in your brain. And each neuron is like one personal computer. And how many functions can one personal computer can do? How many functions one personal computer can do? Lot, isn't it?
How many?
Many. That's
So-
right. But if you have 100 billion neurons in your brain, how much we can do? Because as it was being said beautifully by Albert Einstein, and Albert Einstein said, I'm not bothered about whenever I go to a cemetery. There I see the people are lying peacefully. But what I feel bad is, if not today, tomorrow, if not tomorrow, at least after 50 years, at least after 100 years, everybody final destination is cemetery, right? That is going to that. But going there, I'm not bothered, because that is the ultimate destination. Like as I rightly said, whenever there is a birth, there is a, because whenever there is a birth date, there is a death date. In the same way, whenever there is an appointment, you have
There is
a
always a retirement.
Retirement.
right? Yeah, retirement date also. So it all looks like yesterday, because you people have already joined. But one thing, the most important thing is, if you salute your job, you need not salute everybody. But if you don't salute your job, then you have to salute everybody. That's what Abdul Kalam beautifully said, right? Because if you do your job 100%, nobody can pinpoint a finger to you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll say it with little more enthusiasm here, because what I want you to do is, one of the most important
Yes.
thing is our enthusiasm. Without enthusiasm, nothing ever that is being ever accomplished in your life. As it was being said by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, he says, Uddharet atmaratmanam atmanam avasadayet, that you have to lift yourself by yourself and enthusiasm, never and ever condemn yourself that I am useless, I am stupid, I am not intelligent, I am not brilliant, I am poor, I am not handsome, others are good, I am not good. That is, you don't have the right to undermine yourself. Right? So
Right.
that is the reason, the most enthusiastic people, others may go bored, but you will never get bored, right? Because you are enthusiastic. Because the moment you are enthusiastic, your energy levels will be high, and most important thing is your energy, and your focus goes where your energy goes. And your most importantly, the moment you are energetic, then you will have all the power to do whatever you want. For example, in your home, whenever there is but power is low, your fridge will not work, ACs will not work, and dim light will be there, isn't it? But whenever
Yes.
there is power, then you feel yourself totally energetic. So I'm going to train you today that how you can be energetic, how you can take charge of your life, and how you can take charge of your emotions, how you can take charge of your finances, and how you can manage your emotions, and how you are able to take charge of your relationship, and how you are going to manage your career, and how you are going to manage your contribution, and also how you are going to manage your spirituality, how you can be blissful, how you can be joyful, and how you can be celebrative in life. Because one of the most important aspects in life that you need to understand is, then there is something called as being an inner winner and being an outer winner. Being an inner winner, being an outer winner.
Outer winner.
Yeah, outer winner. Then there is something called as private victory and outer victory. The most important thing is, first you should have a private victory, that you should win over yourself. Then you should be able to win outside. And that is the reason, what should precede is, private victory should precede the outer victory. And we are going to work on how we people can work on creating a private victory, and how we can create a pyramid of life mastery. Because most important thing is, we don't know whether we have another life or not. And age is logical, it's only psychological. And I know that there are few very, very old people, maybe biologically, but they're so energetic, so enthusiastic, full of life. And I see there are some young people, they are not interested in anything. What is life? Boring. Lockdown, boring. Not able to go anywhere, it's boring. How long this is going to continue? Boring. But one thing, because in your olden days, you used to look forward to have one Saturday, Sunday. My God, one Saturday, Sunday finish. I don't have time to do what I want to do, and I don't have time to spend with my family, and I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to do that. You had so many complaints, right? But blessing in disguise, enjoy whatever that comes to you, because happiness is the function of accepting what is creates easiness in you. Accept lockdown period. Just ask a powerful question: how can I make the best use of this time, and how can I master whatever I want, and another, how I can create a new relationship, how can I improve my physical health, mental health, psychological health, emotional health, financial health, and how can I develop totally a new talents and new abilities, and that is going to make you to take charge of your life. So friends, for example, a simple word like your communication. Because communication internal, because the moment, instead of saying good evening, from today onwards, to all your faculties, to that is almost to everybody in your life, that you are going to tell them great
evening,
morning,
great evening,
great afternoon, great evening, and even in the night also to your children, great night. You know why? The alchemy of self is, you are your language. You are your language. For example, the moment you say good morning, you don't mean anything. The moment, good, better, best, and great, which is a most powerful word?
great.
Great, right? So, why not we use the great vocabulary to change your physiology and psychology, and to create an emotional mastery? So, great evening. Say it little louder.
Great evening, sir.
No, I'm not able to hear.
Great evening, sir.
Great evening, sir.
Great evening.
Yeah, say like this. Great evening.
Great evening,
Great
sir.
evening.
Because one of the things is, many times in a day, the moment you get up, just start saying, if not shout, that you can say to yourself, great, because great evening, the moment you start saying, suddenly what happens, that triggers a new neurological responses, and it creates new electrical waves in your brain, and it triggers your new neurons in your brain, and that sends the message to your corpus callosum, which is controlling your left brain and right brain. That word itself will work like a triggering mechanism, and you feel great. And why I want you to do this many times, okay, because what you have to do is, during these COVID times, most important thing is you need to make your lungs very strong. And that comes from oxygen, because by sitting down, that your intake of your oxygen comes down. Okay, so all of you do like this. Yeah, wherever you are sitting down, just do like this that is with a deep breath. Okay, Srinivas Rao,
Yes,
do
sir.
like this. Okay, the moment your lungs are strong, your immunity goes up, COVID has power to attack you, because it attacks only the lungs. Final thing what happens is breathing. And most important thing is, our psychological immunity. That means psychologically, the moment you are down during these COVID times, so what happens, all this is alchemy of self. Because during this time, if you're psychologically down, then your immune system goes down. The moment your immune system is down, then immediately, then there is an attack of depression, because what it leads is, first thing is tension. Morning to evening, you keep watching in the television. First is tension. Tension leads to worry. Worry leads to anxiety. And anxiety leads to frustration. And frustration leads to your depression. The moment you are depressed, your immune system goes down, and what you're capable also, you will not be able to do it, and you feel that your entire mental health, physical health, psychological health, emotional health, everything starts coming down. That is the reason you need to pull yourself up. Got it? Because whatever we are doing, that whatever we are doing, that we people are doing it with totally a different purpose, right? So what happens is, in this domain of thing is, psychological strength and emotional mastery is one of the things in this. So to whomsoever you meet, you are going to tell them with lot of energy that great morning. So okay, that say again, great morning.
Sir.
See, great morning.
Great morning.
Yeah, wonderful. Great afternoon.
Great afternoon.
Great evening.
Great evening.
Great night.
Great night.
Night.
Great
Yeah.
night.
Ah, wonderful. I'm so happy to see Mr. Ramesh is so enthusiastically participating. Even Srinivas Rao, and even my friend, I know if you are hearing, at least do whatever you are listening, right? Because whatever we are doing, you do it. Okay, how you feel right now? How do you feel right now? When you are, because when you came into the session, and now, do you see any little change in you, Mr. Srinivas Rao?
Yes, sir.
अभी सो रहा था सर, अभी बैठ गया. अब ये देख समझना है.
Yes, Mr. Ramesh. How do you feel right now? How do you feel right now?
Yes, sir. Little bit energized.
Oh, energized. Wonderful. So, friends, the moment you start using the powerful vocabulary to make yourself powerful, because successful people, they don't do different things, they do things differently. It's your energy which dictates your life. So, first and foremost, let's go into one aspect of life that is called as physical body. Our body is like our car, right? Our body is like our car. The most important in this alchemy of self is, you need to take care of your physical body.
Physical.
And even if you have 100 crores, but if you are on a ventilator like Steve Jobs, he says, what I hear is only the ventilator sounds. And I have thousands of people working for me, but there is not even one single person is there who can sleep on my behalf on the ventilator. And I need to carry my body to be here. And he said, I feel sorry that I was looking out for money, and I neglected my health. And the final thing is, even though I have millions of dollars, but I'm not enjoying my wealth. What's the use of wealth if you don't have good health, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Well,
So yeah, health is wealth, because even if wealth is gone, that you can get it. But most important thing is our health, because the moment you have your health, that will take care of everything. For example, that our physical body is so important. For the last 45 years, there may not be even 45 days in my life when I have not done my yoga, when I have not done my fitness regimen. And the most important thing is you need to take care of your physical body. So in this physical body, you may skip your food. You can skip your breakfast, it doesn't matter. And you can skip whatever you want in your life, but definitely not your physical regimen. Because the moment you have an excellent health, then you feel, yes, you feel on top of the world. But most of the people who are working in the government, what happens, even though some of your bosses may tell that you are not up to the mark, but you are doing your best. But what is happening is, in this total huzzy-busy of life, that you are neglecting your health. And the moment you cross 45, 50 years, the result is, at the time of retirement, government says, take your gratuity, take your, the provident fund, take your fringe benefits, and take your other benefits. But one thing is, you say that, what you are doing, because government gives you pukat mein, you are, that you are taking with yourself the blood pressure, you are taking yourself even your, the something called coronary heart diseases. If you are pukat mein government hospital, there are not bolke that you need not go to the hospital, right? So one thing is, then there was one person called as Mullah Nasruddin. One ship was sinking. And the boatman was telling, all of you jump, boat is sinking. But Mullah Nasruddin was very relaxed. And he said, don't bother, I am enjoying the sinking of the boat. Arey mar jayega ra, arey tum fikr mat karo. Mere paas life insurance hai. Mere paas life insurance hai, paisa aa jayega, tum fikr mat karo, right? So friends, in the similar way, you may have all retirement benefits, but if you are not there, and if because if your health is not there, if you are not enjoying your life, that means all the wealth is of useless. Because even if you have little money, it doesn't matter. But most important thing is robust health. So from today onwards, that you need to give me a promise that that you are going to use your physical body and you are going to exercise every day. Are you going to do that?
We are doing that, sir. We are doing
it?
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
fantastic. Yeah, that's fantastic. So what you can do is, that the moment, whatever might be the circumstances, for example, at the time of the, that is at the time of my daughter's wedding, early in the morning, I got up in the night at 2 o'clock and I did my yoga. And also for my son's wedding, there also I just got up and I did my yoga and I did my that I did my meditation, because that is going to give me the kind of an energy. Because what we have is a very, very small session, because my regular sessions called as Krish Personal Development Workshop that starts in the morning at 8 o'clock and it ends in the night at 8 o'clock. That is 12 hours I stand up and I speak with the same energy. The whole thing is, how you manage your physical energy, emotional energy, psychological energy, and how you manage your stress. That is going to determine the quality of your life, because the quality of your life is the quality of your physical health, mental health, psychological health, emotional health, financial health, and how you are able to manage yourself. So from today onwards, you are going to give me a promise that whether you do the exercise, or you go for a walk, or you go to the, or you do the aerobics, or you do the 10,000 steps. For example, the says if you can take 10,000 steps every day, even you will have a Fitbit watches. If that, you will be able to maintain your physical health and nothing will disturb you. And suddenly your health and vitality will improve. So are you going to take care of your physical health?
Yes, sir.
Say
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say yes, right?
Yes.
I think,
Yes, sir.
but I think, have you seen the chart? I will just show you the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have seen the chart. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you have seen it, right? But what I will do is, I will just show you for a minute,
Right.
that chart, and that will be able to. I think, Dibendra, that you are going to show it. Otherwise, shall I show it? Are you going to?
Soumya can show it.
Soumya, are you going to show it?
Sorry.
Otherwise, that you want me to show, I will show.
Soumya, you can show it.
Okay.
Sir, is the
Because that we have, yeah. Then what you can do is, this you can share it. For example, in this, what we are seeing is, first thing is physical body, emotions, meaning, and relationships, and then you have the time management, career, and again that you will have something called a finance, and
contribution and spirituality.
the contribution and spirituality. Okay, now you can just take out that chart,
Right, sir.
because it will be that much better if I can show it. So it's just for your sake, that I have shown it. Okay, so just
Okay.
take out that chart, right? Okay. So friend, you must focus on physical health. For example, you have seen pyramid, right? That means the top is sharp, the bottom was
Widened.
totally widened. That means if it is widened, means in this pyramid, which area that you should give the highest importance? Srinivas Rao?
Yes, sir.
If, in the pyramid, which area has to be the highest importance?
Which area?
Yeah, in the pyramid, which is occupying the longest space in the
Bottom.
pyramid, yeah, bottom. What is
Bottom.
occupying the maximum area? Bottom. You have seen pyramid, right? So what was there
Yes,
at the
sir.
bottom of the pyramid? Yes, Ramesh, what was there at the bottom of the pyramid? I think you have seen the pyramid, right?
Yes, sir.
So what was there at the bottom?
The total strength of the pyramid, sir.
Yeah, what was that? What was the strength of the pyramid? Beautiful, what you said. What was the strength of that pyramid?
The base.
Base.
Now, what was the strength of the pyramid? What was the bottom which was occupying the total thing? As I told you,
कभी कभी हिंदी में भी बोलिए सर, कभी कभी हिंदी में बोलिए.
इसके अंदर क्या है, ये जो है ना पिरामिड है ना, जैसा वो पिरामिड के अंदर नीचे बॉटम के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा क्या ऑक्युपाई कर रहा है? विड्थ के अंदर क्या लिखा हुआ था सबसे नीचे?
Physical body.
Physical body. Let's give a big hand. Come on, yeah, let's give a big hand. अरे क्लैप करो. because it might be virtual, but one thing is that we are able to see it. The moment you start doing it very, very clearly, then everything is going to start working. So in this physical body, most important thing is your physical body. Jaan hai to jahan hai, right? The moment the moment jaan agar hai, everything is there. You enjoy your life that if you have the physical body. But one thing is, only physical body rekhe pahalwan ke waisa banke, if you have all the strength, only that is not sufficient, right? The one of the most important thing is your emotions and the meaning what we give. The second hierarchy in the pyramid is, after the physical body, let what may happen, that you are going to take care of your physical body at least 10,000 steps every day. Are you going to do that? At least 10,000 steps every day chalna, nahi to yoga karna 1 घंटा, because nahi to 1 घंटा yoga karna, nahi to kuch bhi karo, magar at least 1 hour you have to spend for your body, because most of the people, they don't want to trouble their body, but they trouble their mind. But actually you should give lot of trouble to your body, but you should make your mind very peaceful, calm, and you should make it very, very happy. Because if you don't take care of your physical body, so what is going to happen to you in your life is, आपके जिंदगी के अंदर, in this alchemy of self के अंदर, जब आपका middle age आ जाएगा, कोई आपका health खराब हो जाएगा, and your responsibilities have gone up, and you have to do so many things, but you are not able to do. That is the time where you are supposed to have an excellent health. That is the time it starts giving up. Just like जैसा गाड़ी पुरानी हो गई है, उधर साउंड आता, इधर साउंड आता, उधर थोड़ा सताता, इधर थोड़ा सताता, right? But the moment you start taking care of your old vehicle, you can maintain it well, isn't it? Right? So friends,
Yes.
and most important thing is, what kind of petrol you are putting into the car. That is what kind of food you are eating. That is also very, very important. So कचरा वो तो क्या, मैं पेट्रोल के अंदर डीजल डाल दिए, डीजल में पेट्रोल डाल दिए, नहीं तो अदरवाइज पूरा वो पूरा ऐसा नहीं, सो कचरा पूरा अगर आप जैसा फ्यूल टैंक में डाल दिए, I think are you going to have a wonderful journey? आपका गाड़ी
No.
किस तरीके से चलेगा?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no?
No, sir.
डूब जाए,
No,
Good
isn't it? That's fantastic.
Sir.
So that is the reason, one of the most important thing is, on a regular basis, eat the healthy food, eat energy foods, eat बहुत अच्छा. For example, water अगर है, water के अंदर put alkaline. Alkaline water gives you lot of energy, and it cleanses your body, and it puts you on the top of the thing. मैं क्या करता हूँ मालूम? Every day मैं जग के अंदर ऐसा पूरा मैं जग लगा के, थ्रू वो जग के अंदर मैं नींबू डाल देता हूँ. Don't put salt, don't add sugars, just नींबू. उसके अंदर क्या मालूम, कभी भी पीने का मूड अगर हो गया, so you keep drinking the alkaline water. Alkaline water, that gives you, just like alkaline batteries, they last long instead of ordinary batteries, isn't it? Same thing, alkaline water, if you start taking it up, that is going to make you very, very energetic. In the similar way, healthy foods can reduce your carbohydrates. Take more vegetables, and take lot of fruits. Take all colors of fruits, and they drastically cut down. If you are taking 90% of carbohydrates, make it only 10%. देखे तक slim हो जाते हो, देखे तक you will be more vibrant and more energy, because the most important thing is what kind of food you are taking care. And इसी के साथ आपका गाड़ी पूरा पक्का रहेगा. मगर if your car, if you have the high goals, and if you have a very, very high aspiration, अगर आप जैसा that you are that right now that you are climbing your car to the Tirupati, अगर that if you are taking your car to the Tirupati hillock, what happens? अगर suddenly you run out of fuel, नीचे भी नहीं जा सकते, ऊपर भी नहीं जा सकते, right? Isn't it?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
जैसा वो बॉबी का गाना है ना, क्या है बोला तो, अंदर से कोई बाहर ना जा सके, बाहर से कोई अंदर ना आ सके, मगर उधर डिम्पल कपड़िया नहीं है, बाजू बीवी है, वो क्या मालूम हमेशा गाली देती है, क्या पेट्रोल भी नहीं देखते क्या, वो क्या मालूम ऊपर जाते समय गाली सुनना पड़ता। यस सर, नो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? So friends, so in the similar way, the most important thing is your emotions. Emotion of love, emotion of gratitude, emotion of, the happiness, emotion of energy, emotion of enthusiasm, emotion of gratitude. So these things are very, very important in the alchemy of self. Second most important thing is our life सुबह से लेके शाम तक, you will be surprised to know, knowingly or unknowingly, you undergo almost 1800 different kinds of emotions, and we give meaning to every emotion. Right? And emotion that dictates the quality of our physical health, mental health, and psychological health. So repeat with me: to change your physiology, change your psychology. To change your psychology, change your physiology. That is mind body connection. Say that. To change your psychology, put your hand like this.
Change psychology.
Put your hand. శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు ఇక్కడ ఇట్లా మీరు వేలు పెట్టండి.
Change your psychology.
ఇట్లా పెట్టండి తలకాయకి.
వీడియో ఎట్లా సార్?
ఇగో
వీడియో
ఇట్లా
కనిపించట్లేదు.
ఈ
మీ వీడియో.
ఇగో ఇట్లా అమ్మా. ఇట్లా. To change my psychology.
Change my psychology.
Change my physiology.
Change my physiology.
To change my physiology.
Change my physiology. Change my psychology.
That
To
is
change
mind body connection. That is mind body
Mind body connection.
connection.
మైండ్ బాడీ
Connection.
I think మీరు శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు, the matter, I think that your mother tongue is Telugu.
ఎస్ సార్.
రమేష్ గారు మీదండి
Telugu, sir.
తెలుగునా? What would say na that you are from North India, I think. Okay, then we'll use all kinds of languages, because what happens is understanding is more important, because this is something called as emotion and meaning. అంటే మనము మైండ్, మరి ఇప్పుడు గౌతమాది బుద్ధుడు అనేవారు తథాగతుడు అంటే మనం కాలు అంటే మరొక చెరువులో పెట్టి తీసే లోపల there is already so much of water has flown, isn't it? Right? So in the similar way, every moment is different. For example, ఈ సెషన్లో మీరు వచ్చినప్పటికీ మళ్ళీ సెషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేటప్పటికి again you are totally a different person. You are not the same person, right?
Yes, sir.
Because already some new neural connections have been formed, because all these things what I am doing, all these gestures, all these things, do this is all nothing but creating a new neural connections. So
Yes,
there is something called as emotion of love. Most important thing is love yourself. If you don't love yourself, others will not love you. Alchemy of self is any combinations and permutations create the gold. You should become like a pure 24 karat gold. మనమంతా కానీ అంతా ఏదోదో మొత్తం పనికిరాని కచరా అంతా కలుస్తుంటుంది, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ సే విత్ మీ, ఐ లవ్ మై సెల్ఫ్.
I love myself.
ఇట్లా పెట్టుకోండి, క్రాస్ పెట్టుకోండి చెయ్యి. యా, ఐ లవ్ మై సెల్ఫ్.
I love myself.
I like myself.
I like myself.
I admire myself.
I admire myself.
I respect myself.
I respect myself.
myself.
I accept myself.
I accept myself.
accept myself.
I'm grateful to my mind.
I am grateful to my mind.
I'm grateful to my body.
I am grateful to my body.
I'm grateful to my organization.
I am grateful to my organization.
I'm grateful to my parents.
I am grateful to my parents.
I'm grateful to my children.
I am grateful to my children.
I'm grateful to my wife.
I am grateful to my wife.
Very tough, but still, I'm grateful to my wife.
I am grateful
I
to my
love
wife.
myself.
I love
I love
myself.
myself.
I love
And kiss
myself.
yourself. I love myself.
I love
Yeah,
myself.
kiss yourself.
I love
Kiss
myself.
yourself. Yeah. What happens is a lot of difficulties in life comes to you. Because you don't like your own self. Because you don't like yourself, and there are so many because there are so many complaints against yourself. That is the reason I said most important thing is accept your own self. Happiness is the function of accepting what is. What is creates peace in you, right? So that is the reason. First is love, second is gratitude. The early morning you get up and be grateful for what we have. हमेशा पर रोती सूरत, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, पैसा ज्यादा नहीं है, और ये गाड़ी खरीदना था, पुट्टे वो नहीं पड़े, दे आर नॉट स्टडिंग, ऐसा क्यों है, इंक्रीमेंट नहीं मिला, वो नहीं हुआ, ये प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ. अरे यार, हमेशा रोती सूरत लाइफ. What happens? That you never enjoy, right? So in this, the moment you are grateful, then you do your best and nothing less than the best. So that is the reason, first thing is love. There's something called as emotion of love, emotion of gratitude, and emotion of power. And just say that, yes, I am powerful. Say this, yes, I am
powerful.
Yes, I am strong.
Yes, I am strong.
Yes, I am born to win.
Yes,
I am born to win.
Yes, I am born to make a difference.
Yes, I am born to make a difference.
Yes, I am born to
I
make
will bounce
difference.
back. I will bounce back.
I'll bounce back.
I'll bounce back.
I bounce back.
Bounce
I
back.
bounce back.
Tough times never lost.
Tough time never lost.
Tough
Never
people
lost.
do. Tough
What people
people
do.
do.
Tough
I'm
people.
tough.
Tough people.
I'm tough.
I'm tough.
I'm tough.
I'm energetic.
I'm energetic.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
creative. I'm
I'm
creative.
I'm
I'm
creative.
enthusiastic.
I'm enthusiastic.
I'm
I'm
enthusiastic.
energetic.
I'm
I'm
energetic.
energetic.
And I spend only 10% of my time on my problems.
I spend 10% of my
I spend
time in
10% of
problems.
And those problems also, I treat them as minor challenges. I treat my problems
I treat my problems as minor challenges.
as minor challenges. Right?
Yes.
That I treat them as minor challenges. I focus on solutions.
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 That why I'm making you to do all this is motion is being created by motion, not lose motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Emotion is being created by motion.
Motion.
The moment you put your body in emotion, and if you say this, your alchemy of self that starts happening, your millions and billions of neurons in your brain, they start reverberating with whatever you are thinking, and you create a new belief system, and alchemy of the self comes up, and your best will come out. So that is the reason. Then there is something called as emotions and meaning. For example, if somebody tells you, for everything we know that we take a meaning. Somebody tells you, that means, somebody tells me, you are a monkey. I say, 1 second, hold on. Because since morning I didn't check up. And I check it up, and I say, there is no extra growth. I think I am not walking from branch to branch. I am not hopping on 4 legs. I am walking on 2 legs. Sorry, wrong number. Because if somebody tells you as a monkey, you say that you are a donkey, your father is a cockroach, your mother is a, the dinosaurs and whatnot, right? Because somewhere deep down, you have a doubt that am I a monkey? For everything, we take out a meaning, right? Even for this training program, the moment you look into me, you already, just by looking at me, there is a non-verbal communication, and you start taking out what kind of a person I am with so much of meanings that you take it out, because every emotion that triggers a new emotional response. So that is the reason. Most important thing is, every day for 10 minutes, you have to close your eyes like this. That you have to close your eyes like this. Just for 10 minutes, you have to just simply count. This is called as countdown process. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Got it? Within 10 minutes, you go to the level. This is something called as countdown process. Within 10 minutes, you feel your mind so peaceful. Let what may happen, every day I do 10 minutes process every day, morning and evening. That's like a ritual. So the next thing is, so this is something called as emotional responses. Many times, even if you are watching the TV, start doing the sit-ups, start doing the push-ups, be a potato coach. That is, just sitting like a potato coach in the sofa and watching. Keep yourself physically active to change your physiology, change your psychology. This is something called as emotions and meaning. Next thing in the pyramid is called as relationships. Because you have good physical body, you are emotionally fit, but if you don't have good relationships with your wife, with your children, with your friends, with your relatives, with your son-in-law, with your daughter-in-law, with your sambandhis, అంటే సంబంధికులు అంటే మన మామగారులు అత్తగారులు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ పిల్లలు పెళ్ళిళ్ళు అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్ ఈ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎక్స్పాండ్స్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు హ్యాండిల్ సో మెనీ పీపుల్, రైట్? అయితే ఆ టైం లోపల చేయాల్సింది ఏమిటి అంటే, one of the most important thing is building up a relationship. Relationships అన్నవి your energy goes where your focus goes. మనము ఎవరితోటైనా కొట్లాడాలి. నేను ఎప్పుడు చెప్తానన్నమాట, అంటే దట్ యు కెన్ ఫైట్ విత్ ఎనీబడి, బట్ నెవర్ ఫైట్ విత్ యువర్ వైఫ్, నెవర్ ఫైట్ విత్ యువర్ సన్, with your daughter-in-law, with your son-in-law, with your daughter. Whatever they say, do the most highest important thing is building up a relationship. చాలా సింపుల్ అండి. రిలేషన్షిప్స్ లో కనుక హ్యాపీనెస్ లేకపోతే దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఎఫెక్టింగ్ అవర్ ఫ్యామిలీస్. అంటే మన ఫిజికల్ హెల్త్, మెంటల్ హెల్త్, సైకలాజికల్ హెల్త్ అది ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుందా కాదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes sir, it affects.
అవుతుంది. Definitely, because relationships plays a very important role. And even though you may not be at fault, others are at fault. Can it's most important people in your life, including your wife, including your children, including your allullu, kodallu. If something they are hurt, I am sorry, but it's only one word. A one word valla problems solve అయిపోతాయి, and suddenly a new space comes. If you are telling sorry, it doesn't mean that you are wrong, they are right. What it means is your relationship with that person is more important than being right.
Yes.
Because most of the time relationships lopala ekkada problems vastayi cheppala, where problems comes is I am right, you are wrong. That is
Ego effect.
The relationships plays a very very important role. So in this pyramid of life mastery, మీరు ఒక డైరీ తీసుకోవాలి. ఒక డైరీ తీసుకొని డైరీలో మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే, ఆ డైరీ లోపల మీకు ముఖ్యమైన వాళ్ళు, అంటే ఫస్ట్ వైఫ్, మీ యొక్క ఏంటంటే మీ యొక్క, ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తారు తెలుసా, ఇప్పుడు వైఫ్ది బర్త్డే గుర్తుండదు కానీ మరదల బర్త్డే గుర్తుంటుంది. మరదలు చేస్తారు కానీ వైఫ్ గుర్తు చేయరు, రైట్? మీ యొక్క గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ మ్యారేజ్ అంటే మీ యొక్క పక్కవాడి దోస్తు యొక్క వెడ్డింగ్ డే గుర్తుంటుంది, మీ యొక్క వెడ్డింగ్ డే మర్చిపోతారు. ఇక ఉన్నదే తందానా, రైట్? దట్ యు కెన్ సీ. సో దట్ ఈస్ ది రీజన్, టేక్ ఏ డైరీ. అందులో వైఫ్, చిల్డ్రన్, ఏంటంటే మీ యొక్క కోడళ్ళు, అల్లుళ్ళు, మీ యొక్క సంబంధికులు, అన్నలు, తమ్ముళ్ళు, ఫాదరు, మదరు, ముఖ్యమైన వాళ్ళందరి పేర్లు రాసి జస్ట్ రైట్ డౌన్ ఏ బ్లూ ప్రింట్, హౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ మై రిలేషన్షిప్. అదొక మ్యాప్ కనుక వచ్చేసినప్పుడు సడన్గా ఏమైపోతుందని చెప్పాలా, you start working as per that, because relationships are very very important. As Mahatma Gandhi, because as it was being said by Jawaharlal Nehru, ఆయన ఏమన్నారంటే, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బిట్వీన్ ది మ్యాన్ టు ఉమెన్, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బిట్వీన్ ది religion to religion, The problem between state to state, nation to nation, and all national and international problems, they are all related to the human relations. And if the human relations are not proper, then nothing works. ఏమైందట ఒకడు చాలా ఒక బిజినెస్ అంటే మరి చాలా అంటే దట్ మ్యాన్ వాజ్ ఏ వెరీ బిజీ బ్యూరోక్రాట్, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీద ఉన్నాడు. ఆ చిన్న కొడుకు వచ్చి అడిగాట ఏంటంటే ఏ స్మాల్ సన్ హాస్ కమ్, డాడీ ప్లే విత్ మీ. హి సేస్ ఐ డోంట్ హావ్ టైమ్. నో డాడీ యు మస్ట్ ప్లే. దెన్ వాట్ హి డిడ్ వాస్, then there was one world map. Then there is a world map. A world map, he just tore it into a small pieces and he threw it on the ground. And he said, now you set up the world map. Within 5 minutes, his grandson has set the world map right. And he said, even I cannot set the world map right. How you could do it? His grandson replied that on the other side of the world map, there was the face of a man. Once I put the man right, the world became right. If you are right, the world will be right. Because let us not be a meaning-making machine about everybody. Let's be very, very powerful. అందుకోసమని చెప్పి focus on relationships. Relationships gives you happiness. Relationships gives you joy. And relationships gives you peace of mind. And relationships gives you bondage. అందుకోసమని చెప్పి try to be like a powerful magnet. The way the magnet attracts the iron flings, you start attracting the people. So friends, so start building up the relationship. Say that I build up, Anandi.
I build up. I build up.
I build up.
I build up.
Very powerful,
Very powerful,
loving,
loving relations,
caring,
caring,
and everlasting relationships.
everlasting relations.
Everlasting relationship.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes, yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, yes, yes.
Because emotion is, the emotional triggers that create certainty in the brain. అందుకోసమని చెప్పి I make you to involve yourself emotionally. Got it? That is a big science of NLP once again. విన్నారా? It's not, because it's not in Pustak. All this training program, it's not in Pustak, but it's all in the Mastak. Right? And that Mastak, it goes once if you are emotionally charged. Got it?
Yes,
So the
sir.
next thing after relationships is time. Time. Time.
Time, yes.
Time. Say time.
Time.
Friends, our life is calculated in terms of time. Whenever you see your great grandfather, grandfather, somebody, whenever they passed away, that you see it on a photograph with one plastic bulb. ये बुढ़े को रोज रोज क्या तो भी बत्ती जलाना है, एक छोटा ट्वें that goes. आजकल प्लास्टिक अगरबत्ती भी आ गया, वो लगा देते हैं. And after that, what happens is that he born on such and such date and died on such and such date, isn't it? Hello?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Born on such
Yes.
and such date, died on such and such date. Because our life is calculated in terms of time. Your life is calculated in terms of time. And the most important thing is how many years you live your life is not important.
How you
But
live
how
it.
much life you are adding to your years is very, very important. I repeat, how many years you live your life is not important, but how much life you are adding to your years is very, very important. That comes through the time management, because your life is calculated in terms of time. If you waste time, time wastes you. అందుకోసమని చెప్పి ఏం చేయాలి తెలుసా, టైం లోపల చంకింగ్ అంటాము. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అ చంకింగ్. బికాస్ యూ గెట్ స్కేర్డ్ ఆఫ్ బిగ్ టైమ్. ఇంత పెద్ద పని ఎట్లా చేయాలని చంక్ ఇట్ స్మాల్ స్మాల్ బిట్స్. ఆ చిన్న 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 బిట్స్ మీరు చేస్తూ పోండి. You start doing the small works and suddenly that you see everything gets done. And also create a time audit. అంటే 4:35, 5:36, 6:37, 7:38. Then you create a time audit. నేను ఏ టైం లోపల ఏం చేస్తున్నాను. Create regular routine. నేను ఏం చేయదలుచుకున్నాను. What I want to do. Put up in that, and suddenly that you will be surprised that you will be mastering your time, because mastering your time is mastering your life. Say that, mastering my time.
My time is mastering my
Mastering
life.
my time,
Is mastering my life.
Is mastering my life.
mastering
If you
my
waste
life.
time, if you waste time,
To waste time,
time wastes
Waste
you.
time wastes you.
Time waste you.
Time wastes you. Andukosam, one of the most important thing is you should always take charge of your life, because if you are giving your time to somebody, that is more valuable than giving money, because money can be earned back in bountiful, but even 1 minute you lose, you can never get it back. The most important thing what I like in the Mahabharat, मैं समय हूँ, मैं कृष्ण का जन्म देखा, संजय ये बोल रहा था, ये महाभारत युद्ध कैसा हुआ. He was telling, that means it's only the time who has seen the existence of everybody. Right? So most important thing is, మన most basic powerful resource is our time management. అందుకోసం అని చెప్పి, in this alchemy of self, in this pyramid of life mastery, you should give the importance to time. ఆ టైం ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకున్నవాడు జీవితంలో ఎంతో గొప్పవాడైపోతాడు. And that person becomes not ordinary, but he becomes extraordinary. The difference between the highly successful person, mediocre, and the person who failed is the person who made use of the time, because time is a very powerful resource. So make best use of the time, and time will make the best use of it, because within the shortest possible time, how much you can accomplish maximum is the art and science of time management. Say that, I master my time.
I master my time.
I master my time.
Master
I
my
master
time.
my time.
I master my life.
I master my life.
I master my
Yes,
time.
yes.
Yes,
And
yes, yes,
yes, yes, yes, yes.
yes,
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 Yes. Wonderful.
Yes, yes, yes.
But one thing I feel, even though you people are only 3, that you are equivalent to 30 people. That your energy levels is quite commendable. And
Sir, it is because of you only, sir. It is after seeing you.
Oh, thank you so much. Wonderful. So friends, there is something called as a time factor, and same thing, whatever I have told, give it to your children also. Nana,
Yes, sir.
on a time
Okay,
level, what you are going to do. That is, because many people overestimate what they can do in 1 year, and they underestimate what they can do in a decade's time.
Yes.
A decade is a long time. Andukosam అని చెప్పి, in 1 month what you are going to do, in about 1 year what you are going to do, 5 years from now what you are going to do. Make them a plan, because if you fail to plan, then failure will start dictating your life. So that is the reason, that your planning is like a blueprint for success. Right?
Yes,
You can change the way,
Yes, sir.
but not your mission. Right? So the next thing is called as, there is
Career and
something
mission.
called as the career
And
and
mission.
your mission. Most important thing is vision and mission. You should make a success journal. You must make one book. In that, write down. Then you name it as success journal. In that, write down what is my vision, what is my mission. For example, if NMDC has become Navarathan, I read your mission statement. Your predecessors were committed for that mission. They motivated all the people. Your company has become Navarathan not because of only your chairman or managing director or your minister. No. They only aligned all of you to the mission and vision of the NMDC to create a status of Navratan. It's one of the finest performing companies. So all that credit goes to each one of you. Let's give a big clap to everybody, whether management gives you or not. Let us give it for ourselves, right? So friends, so same thing, you should have a vision even for your life also. Mentally, physically, psychologically, emotionally. What you are going to do, you should plan. That is something called a mission statement. Ante mentally, physically, psychologically, emotionally, how I am going to feel. And after that, you are going to have that is called professional goals. And a professional ante my career. Profession means my career. That is my called a professional goals and career goals. Some people, they start working so much, 90% of their time they devote only for work and career, but they neglect their physical body, their emotions, relationships and time. ఇప్పుడు ఒక వీల్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్, ఒక వీల్ ఉందనుకోండి, అందులో ఉంది కదా, నేను ఇంకో దాంట్లో ఇచ్చాను. వీల్ లోపల ఈ వన్ స్పోక్ ఇస్ లిటిల్ లెస్ ఆర్ మోర్, డస్ దట్ వీల్ మూవ్ క్లియర్లీ అండ్ ఈజీలీ? నో. Life is a balance. That is something called as you should create a private victory and as well as a public victory. అందుకోసం అని చెప్పి ఇప్పుడు that you cannot say that oh career profession not complete in life. Then you should have no regrets in life. The way the Steve Jobs had it, right? I would have had more spend time with my family. అనే మాట రాకూడదు. చూస్తూ పిల్లలు గడిచిపోతూనే ఉంటారు, వెళ్ళిపోతూనే ఉంటారు. విన్నారా? అంటే వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే నా పిల్లలు చూస్తూ నేను పుట్టినట్టు అనిపిస్తారు. పెళ్ళిళ్ళు అయిపోయినాయి, అందరూ కూడా they have just left, right? That's what is life. As it was said beautifully by Gautamadi Buddha. Buddha says, Anityavati sanghare anityati. Everything is arising, passing away, arising and passing away, arising and passing away. Life is a flux. Right? So, andulopala, you should catch hold of the time. Time is nothing but now. Because you know, there is something called as you can learn from the past, because the past is a history, future is a mystery, present is a real present to your life. You can learn from the past, you can plan for the future, but you can take massive action only in the present moment. A real present to your life is this moment, that is something called as now. So do your best in the present moment.
Okay, sir.
అయితే ఏమవుతుందని చెప్పాలా, whether I'm into that, because sometimes I go to the Microsoft, I go for the defense and I do my training programs, where I'm being paid very high. Sometimes I'm being paid very less. It doesn't make any difference. Money is only a secondary part. The profession lopala, sometimes you get more money, sometimes you get money. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే అగ్ని మిసైల్స్ అండ్ there is something called ఆకాష్ మిసైల్స్ ఏదైతే మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ చేస్తారో, హైదరాబాద్ మెటాలిక్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అని చెప్పి ఏదైతే, అది కూడా కాకుండా ఏదైతే మొత్తం ఇస్రోకి ఏవైతే రాకెట్ లాంచ్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చేస్తాను నేను. అండ్ దోస్ పీపుల్, whenever I do a meditation on a Guru Purnima day, just for half an hour, every year they pay me 1 lakh rupees. Money is only a byproduct. Do your best, money will follow you. Sometimes you get less, sometimes you get more, but never compromise on doing your best in your career.
He is in official duty, he will come. Okay.
Absolutely, in your official duty, do your best. That is from morning 9 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock. Don't think of the family. And while you are in the family, don't think of your office. Be there totally, right? And take charge of this present moment. Now. Live in this present moment, because past you cannot retrieve. Future, there is no point in being scared. And future, there is always uncertainty, but create a certainty that I will make it happen. Right? So that is something called as the time management, and that is called the career and your mission and vision statement. And there is something called as The final one, then there is something called as there is something of finance and spirituality. Money is not everything, but definitely money is an important integral part of life. Right? So where is my friend Ramesh?
Sir, I'm there. Sir, I'm there, sir, I'm there.
Ah,
Sir, I'm
we
there.
want to see you. नहीं चाय पी रहे तो हमको भी क्या मालूम वो
No,
तो
चाय नहीं पिए
वर्तमान
सर,
देना।
चाय नहीं पिए, चाय पीते तो आपको देता sure. I
Ah.
don't take tea, coffee, sir.
Ah, good. So it's good to see. मैं बोला क्या मालूम there is something called like a, that about this is like a PC Sarkar. PC Sarkar suddenly vanishing. Sometimes in the web, suddenly people they vanish, right? Okay. So now that is come to the financial and spirituality. One of the things is
Sir, it is finances, then it comes contribution and spirituality, no, sir?
yeah.
It is finances, then the next step is contribution and spirituality, or both are combined.
Yes, you are right. I think the first thing is finances.
Yes, sir.
No, money may not be everything in life, but definitely it's an important part of life. Because you have everything in life, that you have a physical health, you have an emotional health. I think somebody is cooking at home, and you know that somebody at the back, somebody is cooking at home. Tell them that we all will join for the dinner, but for the time being, ask them to keep that little silent because because within few minutes we are going to close now that we have come to the next thing. So that now it is the first thing, physical health, emotional health, relationships, time and career and everything you have managed. जब पैसा नहीं है तो कुछ
नहीं होगा.
So वो क्या है बोले तो money may not be everything, definitely it's an important thing. So friends, अगर आज के दिन after retirement, be careful with your money. Don't give it to friends, don't give it to your children, don't give it to your son. तो मेरे ही है, पैसे के पास कोई अपना नहीं है. After retirement, your government gives you only that you have to leave. So, you should do the proper investments. Whoever has done, not in the jewelry, but in the gold biscuits, or in the, otherwise in the silver bars, it has always appreciated, because jewelry people never sell. For example, good property like your real estate, that always appreciates. So, आपके पास पैसा है, put it into your real investments, in a safe investment, not in the private banks, right? And also that you can take a loan on the fixed deposit, but be careful with your finance. And after retirement also think, how can I make money? Marwadi వాళ్ళు, they worship money. That's the reason these people, they make money, right? So that is the reason finances are very, very important, and all finances should be in your hand, not in your children's hands or in somebody's hands, right? Don't give away everything for your sake. And regarding this, మళ్ళీ పిల్లలు కొట్టుకోకుండా you can write a will deed. You can will deed and register and keep it safe, and tell only one of your friends that a will deed after mine, my children should not fight for money, so this is what I am giving, that's it. So then there will not be a fight within the families, and they will have a beautiful relationships. So the last one is something called as contribution. In the alchemy of self, contribution comes from giving. The more you give, more it comes back to you. If you give from the window, because that if you give from the door, God will give you from the window. The more you give, more it comes back to you, including your knowledge. By giving your knowledge to somebody, it never comes down. It always enhances, it always improves. That is the reason I never look for money. I go for contribution. Because after so many years, even today, I receive the mails and letters. Sir, I have this challenge, I have this issue, what can I do? Even after 10, 15 years also, I keep replying to your NMDC people. They keep remembering me. I feel that gives a contribution. They say, thank you, sir, my issue is being solved. Contribution may be in any form. contribution. You know, if you have 100 rupees, you can spend 5 rupees, or you can spend 1 rupee. Right? If you have 1 lakh rupees, you can spend 1,000 rupees to a needy person. Don't encourage the beggary. If you find any, any of the helpful people, ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర పని చేసే పని వాళ్ళే ఉన్నారు, that you have the workers. If that lady is struggling to pay the fees of their children, okay, take this 1,000 rupees, purchase the books and show me the bill. Anderstand? అదే విధంగా ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా ఒక ఓల్డ్ లేడీ this COVID times, go and purchase some grocery. ఎవరికో కాదు, మనకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళకి just go and help. That gives you so much of satisfaction. That is something called as contribution. All great people are givers. More you give, more it comes back to you. ఇప్పుడు including the persons like మన యొక్క బిల్ గేట్స్ కానీ, లేకపోతే మన పర్సన్స్ లైక్ వారెన్ బఫెట్ కానీ, and the people like the Tatas కానీ, and Wipro chairman, all these people, his name is Azim Premji. They gave away all their wealth, still it comes back to you. And Bill Gates says very beautifully, I go to the office in the morning to work hard to make money, to give it away in the evening. So more you give, more it comes back to you, because that gives you, I have an abundance mentality, I have surplus. So friends, this is called as alchemy of self. I think in this order, that is, first and foremost, I will sum up in just 1 minute. First and foremost is why pyramid is where to give the highest importance is
physical body.
Wonderful physical body. Second,
emotions and meanings.
On a morning nunchi evening we go through emotional turmoil, because if you are going through depression, frustration, irritation, please say dobbuda inda emaindi baane unnavu kada antaru. That emotional torture what somebody is going, only that person undergoes. If you have a fever, everybody comes. Because if your physical health is not okay, jwaram vachinda nanna, otlo sarigga ledha, are you okay? Everybody will take care. You are little sad, nobody understands you, not even your wife. So so I think that your wife is not next to me, right? Because she may come to say, so I'm a little afraid. So then there's something called as emotions and meaning. Third thing is
relationship.
Because relationships plays a very, very important role even in your success also. And I found whoever is maintaining excellent relationships with their bosses, including their immediate DGMs, AGMs, higher ups, whoever maintains an excellent relationship, they get the promotion. Who is not getting the promotion, what they say, chamchagiri karta re, swastya aata. But you don't understand that, you don't know how to maintain a human relations, understand? So build up a relationship, because relationship works like a network. So this network plays an important role. Next is
time management.
Time management, because your life is calculated in terms of time. Take charge of time, and so that you take charge of your life. Repeat with me. Mastering time.
Mastering time
is mastering my life.
Is mastering my life.
ఏమండి శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు, mastering my life.
Mastering my life.
ఏం కాదు, you lose some little calories by doing. Yeah, wonderful, right?
Yes,
next is
career and mission.
Career, and thing is do your best 100% from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Don't carry your office to home. Don't carry your home to the office. And do your best and leave the rest. Once you do your work 100%, if you salute your work, you need not salute any of your bosses. If you don't salute your work, then you have to salute every boss, as being beautifully said by them. Focus on career and plan higher. And the last one, and the next one is finances, right? Yeah, money is important, right? Last one,
contribution.
So friends, I want to thank my friend Dibyendru because I was little disappointed to work only for 3 people. But these 3 people are like gems of NMDC. Their participation was incredible. Even though that you are of a senior rank, whatever I am doing, it looks childish, but it's like childlike simplicity with which you have participated. And also for me, this is the first time I am working on WebEx. Because, and thanks to Soumya and thanks to Dibendra for teaching me how to operate the WebEx, because change with the change. So friends, this pyramid of life mastery, in this mastery, in this way, how much percentage, what you have to give the importance, because everything is important. Just like in a car, you cannot say that this is important, this is not important. Khana banate itna salt bhi important hai. So all these 7 areas are important. The moment you master these 7 areas, you master your life. This pyramid of life mastery creates an alchemy of self that creates the 24-karat pure gold. Because you people, NMDs, understand only in metals and metallurgy. So these 7 energy, these 7 metals, same thing, that creates a pure 24-karat gold in you, with which you become precious, with which you become valuable, and with which you become successful, and with which you create being an inner winner and outer winner, and you transform yourself, your life, from being ordinary to extraordinary. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
So, before I close, I just one word from Mr. Srinivas Rao. What's your experience of this session? Because feedback is the breakfast of the champions. Because first time I'm doing it on the WebEx, such a fast session. Yes, Srinivas Rao, what's your feedback? Give your honest feedback. Give your honest feedback, not to make me happy or not, Dibendru.
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर. हम भी वेबएक्स फर्स्ट टाइम यूज कर रहे हैं सर.
अरे का फर्स्ट टाइम होता है.
गुड एक्सपीरियंस सर. टाइम आपको हमको बेस्ट मिला है सर.
ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉందమ్మా నీకు?
Sir, I'll come in 1 minute, sir.
నేను ఫస్ట్ చెప్పేశారు. క్లోజింగ్. yes Ramesh, what's your experience?
Sir, actually, what you have told, I'm following. I'm already doing some, and I'll also improve some more, sir.
నీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Oh, sir, it is very nice, sir. Energy, you have charged us.
One thing, knowing is knowing, doing is doing. If
Yes, sir.
knowing was doing, nobody would have got married.
Sir.
So, what's your experience of this session?
Sir, it is, as I said, it was very enthusiastic, and it has improved our energy to learn more and to implement.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Great evening. I think Krishna,
Even sir, I'll join in 1 minute.
Okay, no problem. No problem. His boss is calling. Sir, great evening, great energy. And we are indebted to you that you have adapted the new technology with a new normal. And this is really great. And though the people are less, but see, the people are also very valuable. And as we are testing this, so naturally, this platform from 3 people, I want to see the training will go to 300 people in 1 day.
wow, that's great.
That is what I'm looking at, and this is how I'm looking at actually, so that we can go 300 people in 1 day like this.
Yeah.
The NMDC, and really great. Here, Dr. G. Rita Reddy was also there. She is the deputy general manager, so she had also seen this particular training program.
Wow, so much thankful to her.
So really,
She can give her feedback. If she is there, she can give a feedback.
let's see if she comes online. She is there.
Right.
And any questions they have, let them ask, and then they will go for the question already been created. So you have to apply for that question. 5 questions are there. It's a tick mark. So once you discuss with him, go for the answering the questions. Any questions you have, kindly go ahead. Srinivas Rao garu, any question you have, you want to ask? हिंदी में पूछिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
तो हिंदी भी आती है, तेलुगु भी आती है, इंग्लिश भी आती है, फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज भी आती है.
नहीं है सर.
is yours. ఇందులో అయినా అడగండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
నేను లేదు సార్ క్వశ్చన్.
ఏం క్వశ్చన్స్ లేవంటే either you have become a Buddha or you are a Buddha, like nothing you have understood. Like a Buddha, you have understood everything. Right? So, any other questions?
Thank you very much. You,
What about you? You have any questions? Sena? Okay, it was good. Right. So, Ramesh, the boss called, so he has to go.
yeah, his boss called, I think.
Yeah.
So thank you.
नहीं, लकीली क्या है, मेरा बॉस घर पर नहीं है. इस हिसाब से मैं इतना हिम्मत के साथ